I'm scared. Ayan yung Jack Evans. Ano yan? Tweed River. Tweed River, New South Wales in Queensland. In one room only ba? So beautiful today. Feeling ko parang mahuhulog ako. Ang feeling lang naman. Kabat-kabat. Kabat-kabat naman. Lukan lang tayo. Ay, nahihilo ako. Ayan siya. No. This is another side. New South Wales view hall. Malaki na yung beach. It's big up there. Yung bahay ko nandoon. Nandoon.